Welcome everyone to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to recover the Bigo password. Now to begin the process, open the Bigo application first. It will direct you to this home page over here. Here you need to type in the phone number of yours. Then tap on next. Now here you need to provide the password, but as we are going to recover the Bigo password, you need to tap on forgot password over here. Tap that. Then you need to type in the number again. Once you type in the number, you tap on next. With this, a verification code will be sent to that phone number of yours. You need to type in that verification code on the top once you receive the code on your phone. There's the verification code from Bigo. Now you just need to copy this code and paste it over here. Once you have pasted, you need to type in the new password below. Type in the new password over here that you want to change for your Bigo account. And then tap on done. This will change the password for your Bigo account. So this is how you can recover the account password of Bigo. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.